If AI writes your thesis for you, it's not your thesis. Instead, use AI to squeeze your own ideas out of your brain with a strategy called recursive inquiry. Here's an example where a student uses recursive inquiry to develop their thesis for the outsiders. I need to write a thesis for the outsiders about the meaning of stay gold. Act as a critical teacher. Do not give me the answer. Instead, challenge my assumptions and poke holes in my logic until I come up with a strong argument on my own. I think stay gold just means don't grow up. Like, stay a kid forever.
I'm not sure that holds up against the text. DALL-E is only 17 years old. He is technically a kid. Would you argue that DALL-E is gold?
No way. DALL-E is hard and mean. He's seen too much bad stuff.
Okay, so you just admitted that being gold has nothing to do with age. Because DALL-E is young, but he isn't gold. So if it's not about age, what is the specific personality trait that DALL-E is missing?
He doesn't care about anything. He's cold. Ponyboy still cares about things, like sunsets and the movies. He's sensitive.
Sensitive is better. Now look at the end of the book. Johnny tells Ponyboy to stay gold right after they rumble, and Johnny is dying. Why is that timing important? Why is Ponyboy in danger of losing his sensitivity? Right at that moment.
Because his best friend just died. He got beat up in a rumble. That's enough to make anyone stop caring. He could easily just turn into DALL-E right then.
Exactly. So Johnny isn't telling him to stay young. He is warning him against a specific fate. Combine those ideas. What is Johnny asking Ponyboy to do instead of becoming like DALL-E?
He is telling him to keep caring about the world and seeing the good stuff, even though the world is harsh and violent.
That is a claim. Now, can you write that as a formal thesis statement without using the word stuff?
Johnny's request to stay gold is a warning to Ponyboy not to become cold and hardened like DALL-E, but to preserve his ability to see the beauty in the world despite the violence around him.
Strong work. You have successfully moved from a surface-level observation about age to a deep thematic argument about resilience. You are ready to write your essay.